This is question 19. Given that x1 is the only root for the first equation and x2 is the only root for the second equation, we are asked to find the sum of these two values. Now it will be easier if we sketch the graph. Each of them has y equals to 2020 minus x. It is a straight line. Maybe we draw out the straight line. So let's say this is 2020, 2020. That is the straight line. Y equals to 2020 minus x. There is log 2x in the first equation and 2 to the power x in the second equation. Since y equals to log 2x is an inverse function of y equals to 2x. And the two graph will be symmetry about y equals to x. Y equals to x. And they do not have any intersection, so the graph will look like this. So this is 1, this is 1. For log 2x, you will have something like this. I try my best. Reflection, so it will be something like this. Okay, so according to what we have, this is y equals to log 2x and this is y equals to 2x. From the condition, this is equals to x1 and this is equals to x2. We are asked to find the sum of these two values. With the fact that these two is inverse of each other, they are symmetry about y equals to x, and therefore the length of these two segments is actually the same. Using the idea of similar triangle, it will mean that the length of these two segments must be also the same. And we have to know what is this value here. What is this value? This value is actually the intersection point of y equals x and y equals to 2020 minus x. And therefore, 2020 minus x equals to x. 2x equals to 2020. X equals to 1010. So this value is 1010. And this value is 1010. So let's say the common segment is equals to a. This small portion is equal to a. This small portion is equal to a. So x2 will be equals to 1010 minus a, and x1 will be equals to 1010 plus a. For some unknown a, for some a which I'm not interested to know, because I just want to know what is the sum of x1 and x2, and it will be equals to 2020. The a will be cancelled off. Personally, I like this question. You do not need a lot of calculation. Once you know the trick, you can get the answer very, very easily. So 2020 is the answer for question 19.